right now in this moment, God, as we are saying, God, right now we surrender everything we have to you, God. We give this whole service to you, and especially this moment right now, God, we just say we surrender our hearts for what you are going to do this summer, God. Dear Jesus, Lord, I pray, God, that we would just be excited and anticipated for everything that you are going to do, and that we will realize that it starts tonight. That what you are going to do, God, this summer, that tonight, God, that we will give everything we have. We won't leave anything here tonight, because tonight we set a standard for what is going to happen this summer, God. Lord, I pray that you invade this place. You let your fire fall down, God. That we realize that we are royalty. God, we are royalty in this place. We are your sons and daughters. We are the princes and princesses of Christ, God. Lord, I pray that your fire will fall in this place tonight, God. That as we surrender, God, as we say that you can do whatever you want to do, God, that you will come and you will move. God, that you will move that, God, any spirit of tiredness, any spirit of complacency that is gone in the name of Jesus. And a new passion rises in this place, God. A new passion, a new fire rises in this place, God. Lord, because we are the uprising. God, and I pray that this summer, God, you will ignite and you will raise up your army, God, and that this will be the key regiment, God, that you will raise us up to be the army that you have destined us to be, that you have called us to be, God, that we will reach that calling and then we will pursue it with everything we have, that this summer, that this night kicks off the momentum that you have for us, God, that this night just starts the momentum, God, that you raise it up, that you raise us up in this place, God, just raise us up as we surrender, as we get everything, raise us up, God. We want it so bad, God. We want to come back, God. We want it so bad. We want to see revival, God. We want to see revival come in this community. We want to see it in our cities, God. Raise it up in this place, God. Give everything you have. Don't leave anything else. Give it all to Him. He wants you to. He's called you to. Give it everything.